Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be using and reviewing dpHUE Gloss Plus semi-permanent hair color and deep conditioner in the color of dark brown. So I've never used anything like this. I have very little experience with at-home hair care. I have not been to the salon in probably the longest I've ever not been at the salon because of lockdown, and as such I've been really inspired by my friends, specifically my friend Michelle, to try to learn how to do some of these things at home. So I did trim my hair a couple months ago with the use of a YouTube video. The ends are already dried out. So a little bit of hair history. I have been bleaching my hair blonde from very dark brown / black since I was 13 years old. And it wasn't until less than a year ago that I tried to gradually go back to my natural hair color. I had to go in for lowlights and dark brown dye every couple months once I tried to go back to my original hair color, and it has just been fading so much because of the years and years and years of abuse. Bleaching, toning to white. It's been a crazy hair journey for me, and I want my natural hair to all grow out and then figure out what to do with it from there. But right now I'm in a transitional phase and it's quite intense. So I'm hoping that this Gloss Plus can help even out the tones. Now, I originally was thinking about dyeing it all dark, but as I was watching more videos and reading more about it, it would end up, I believe, processing some of this natural hair as well, and I really want to get away from that. So if I can figure out a way to even out the hair color until it truly grows out, that would be ideal for me. So we'll see if that's possible. Another thing that I was really interested in was that it's also a deep conditioner. I am in desperate need of a better conditioner and some moisture up in these damaged ends. So we'll see if it does that. Crazy healthy shine with a rich color boost. No peroxide, ammonia, or mixing. Refreshes in as little as 3 minutes. Great for natural or colored hair. I'm gonna be putting it in for a lot longer than 3 minutes. So this is what we're gonna do. Evenly distribute Gloss Plus through clean, damp hair. Leave on for 3 to 20 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So it doesn't say to shampoo after, so we'll just be rinsing it out. We need to get the hair damp. I'm gonna section it off, kind of top and bottom, just so I can make sure I don't miss anything. I ordered some hair clips on Amazon a couple days ago. They haven't arrived yet, so I'm gonna try to use a capo. All right, let's do this. This is what it looks like. It's really beautiful. I don't have very much experience with doing any type of hair color at home, so this is all very new to me. Is it going in? How do you know? It all looks dark. It smells awesome. I really like the smell. Ooh, look at that. Now I can put a little bit more. Make sure we got that coverage. And let's free the capo hair. I'm gonna have to wash this capo now. Ooh, where should I put it? The comb has all this extra stuff on it. Look at that. Jackpot. All right, last piece. I put it all through the tips because that is where I really need color. I'm not sure if I need to do my roots because from what I researched, it's not really gonna do anything because it's dark brown is lighter than my roots. So with the gloss, I believe it can only darken and not lighten because there is no lifting happening. So I don't know if it's a waste to put on my roots or if I should just put it on just in case, try to even it out. So I guess I'll put a little bit in. I still see a lot of orange peeking through. Oh, I got it. It's all over my neck. I probably should have put a towel around my neck. Like when you go into the salon, they put that nice fluffy dry towel around your neck. Also, shout out to my friend Sunny, Black Media Presents here on YouTube, for hooking it up with this shirt. I feel like it's kind of like a hairdressing cape, but cooler. I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes, rinse it out, dry it, and here are the results. Ding! Ta-da! So I'm really happy with the results. It actually deposited more color than I expected. I felt like there was a lot of the orange peeking out after we applied the product. And man, my hair looks really dark. It barely looks faded, I feel like. You guys can tell me if you think differently. But man, I'm very pleased with this. I'm looking forward to see how it holds up with multiple washes and shampoo and different conditioners. And I can also use it as a conditioner to refresh it every few days. So I'm excited to see how this fades. Please also let me know if you guys have any tips when it comes to maintaining hair, general hair care, and especially if any of you have gone through trying to go back to your original dark hair after very heavy bleach. How do I get back to my original hair? Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope to see you next time.